So yesterday I was recording and it stopped recording. Looking at it again, my OBS just failed. I've never had that happen before. So that explains the not great video yesterday. All right. I'm Joe Crawford of artlong.com. Pretty much every day I go to CSSBattle.dev, this site right here, do the daily target and record myself doing it. That's what I'm going to do right now. Oh, look at this shape. Oh, so the first thing I want to know, well, is it just too perfect to have this be P O P? Let's see what I'm just no, that's not what I want. I wanted the blank template, my blank template. There we go. And I think I want to do a display flex. Do I want to do that? Maybe. And we're going to say border radius 0, 1 inch, 1 inch, 0, and margin. Actually, I don't care about margin. I just need a background, huh? And I need heights if I'm doing flex. That's what or I need widths. There we go. So this is what I've made so far. It's not what I want. We need some margins on the body. $40, $90, $85, $80, $90, $95. We need a gap of 20 pixels. We need to increase the width for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. And then O is not as wide. And that border radius is 50%. Okay, what do we got? The height needs to be different. How about 70? How about 80? How about a little bit more margin on the top? 96, or less, 94. That's it. How about a wider width? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. That's what I want. So we have 3 paragraph elements, one of which is a little bit different than the others, and then we're going to use we'll finish this off with a conic gradient. And I'm going to add a no repeat just to be cute. The at is going to be at 20 pixels, 50%, maybe just add 20 pixels. Transparent, 75%. And then this yellow color, 0. There it is. That's probably going to be way too tall, isn't it? 40 pixels over, and then 100 pixels down. And then that's too tall, isn't it? Yeah, that's too tall. I'm going to put this background color in the back just so I can see things. Oh. All right, it's 40, 110. There we go. And that height needs to be 120, 30 pixels. There's our position. We need a width. How about 50%? Oh, that's not working at all, is it? Why? How about 80 pixels? Well, that's not repeating at all. Oh, because why isn't that? I don't understand why that's not doing that. Oh, Oh, it's not repeating, Joe, because you set no repeat. I think that's a measure of how tired I am today. 1, 200, 220, 220. There we go. All right. So that's what I want. And actually I can do, instead of transparent, I can just put that red color there. And that's a solution to this particular one. So particular border radius, particular uh the back end isn't a fan today. We're going to variabilize the width and the border radius, because why not, while we're waiting for the back end to behave better. So that makes this dash dash w. Is that shorter? No. Do I care? No. All right. This border radius, we want it to be var r, or that value, and then I can just do dash dash r. And that works just as well. Okay, let's minify unit replace. We haven't gotten a score. Might be prematurely minification and unit replacement there if the backend is not going to cooperate. Because if we don't get 100%, well, we just did get 100%, then that would be a problem. But we could also undo. Although we learned yesterday that there is a limited number of undos. I don't know what that number is, but I exceeded it yesterday when I was trying to redo my video. Yeah, and that's it. That's it. I'm gonna go take some ibuprofen and hydrate. uh, take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Go make a webpage. The world is difficult.